Welcome! If you've noticed more people mentioning you on Instagram than you'd like, there's a simple way to control that, especially with the latest update on Instagram Web. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to limit mentions so only people you follow can tag you. This is perfect if you want more privacy and fewer unwanted notifications while browsing on your PC. Let's get started. First, open Instagram in your web browser and log into your account like you normally would. Once you're on the home screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will pop up. From there, select Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all your account controls, and it's been slightly reorganized in the latest update, so don't worry if it looks a bit different than before. Inside Settings, find and click on Tags and Mentions. This section lets you decide who can tag or mention you across the platform. Now look for the Mentions section. You'll see a few options here, but the one we're focusing on is Allow Mentions From. Click on it and then choose People You Follow. And